the dance floor as the music dies. Something in your eyes calls to mind the silver screen, and on it says goodbye. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet, I've got no rhythm. Though it's easy to pretend, I know you're not a fool. You should have known better than to cheat a friend. Waste that chance that I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you. Oh, yeah. But you have to leave me alone. Time can never mend the careless whispers of a good friend to the heart and mind. Ignorance is kind. There's no comfort in
is wrong. No, who's gonna drive you home tonight? Who's gonna pick you up when you fall? Oh. Who's gonna hang it up when you call?
frustration blames the one before, and all of their frustration comes beating on your door. I know I am a prisoner to all my father also did. I know I am a hostage to all his hopes and fears. I just wish that I could have told him in the living years. Come sing with me. Say it loud. Say it clear. Won't you say it clear? Sung as well as you hear. Sing with me, my people. Oh, it's too late. When we die. Oh, when we die. We don't see eye to eye. Oh no, I wasn't there that morning when my father passed away. Oh, I didn't get to tell him all the things I had to say. Ooh, I thought I caught his spirit later that same year. I thought I heard his echo in my baby's newborn tears. I wish that I could have told him in the living years. Won't you sing with me? Say it loud. Won't you say it clear? Sung as well as you hear. Won't you sing the song of me?
I'd never hurt you. I know you know. Yet people tell you where I was, where I go. Why do you worry? Even though you see that what they're trying to do is split you and me. They must be dreaming. Why don't they wake up and see this is for real? And Rebecca, you know you'll never break us. 'Cause my love is your love is my love. It's all about you, ooh baby. Everything that I do, I know you feel it too. Oh yeah, that it's all about you. Ooh, they never thought that we'd last this long. Just goes to show that what they thought they were wrong. Now a woman tells you lies about me. She only wants to be the one that takes your place. But why can't she see? She must be dreaming. Don't she wake up? What we have is for real. And Rebecca, you know,
When I met you, there was peace unknown. I set out to get you with a fine tooth comb. I was soft inside. There was something going on. Yeah. You do something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and I feel no pain. Every beat of my heart, we got something going on.
these words to say what I have in here. You're the reason why I sing this song, reason why, my dear. You're the reason why I choose these words to say what I have to say. Lovers come, lovers go, but I am here to stay. I never burn the bridge behind my baby, I keep it just right here. You see the feeling and emotion, baby, I got it just right here. Without it, and that's my girl, my life will disappear. So you're the reason why I sing the song, reason why, my dear. You're the reason why I choose this word, say what I got to say. You're the reason why I sing the song, reason why, my dear. You're the reason why I use these words, say what I got to say. I never have a love like this, I will never jeopardize this. Sincerely, you make me happy, now a vow we'll have to keep. And we'll walk to the promised land. That's where the Father made and did us with his holy hand. So you're the reason why I sing the song, reason why, my dear. You're the reason why I choose these words to say what I got to say. You're the reason why I sing the song, reason why, my dear. You're the reason, you're the reason, you're the reason.
If we can solve any problem, then why we lose so many days? Oh, so you born again when the leading man appears. Always the same thing. Can't you see? You got everything going on and on and on. Every time you go away, you take a piece of me with you. Every time you go away, you take a piece of me with you. Oceans apart, day after day, and then slowly go insane. I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stop the pain. If I see you next to never, how can we say forever? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here thought would last somehow. I hear the laughter, I taste the tears, but I can't get near you now. Oh, can't you see it, baby? You've got me going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I wonder how we can survive this romance. Oh yeah. Oceans apart, day after day, and I slowly go insane. I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stop the pain. If I see you next to never, how can we say forever? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I took for granted all the times that I thought would last somehow. I hear the laughter and I taste the tears, but I can't get near you now. Oh, can you see it, baby? You got me going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting. And I know, hey, oh, you and me, we made a vow, for better or for worse. I can't believe you let me down, but the proof's in the way it hurts. For months on end, I've had my doubts, denying every tear. I wish this would be over now, but I know that I still need you here. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. You've been so unavailable. Now sadly I know your heart is unobtainable, even though Lord knows you're mine. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know
sunshine fills my head, and dreams hang in the air. Well, 'cause in the sky and in my brown eyes, you know it feels unfair. Ooh, there's magic everywhere. Look at me standing here on my own again. I'm straight in the sunshine. Well, no need your love. Hey, die. It's a wonderful, wonderful life. No need to laugh, yes, or cry. It's a wonderful, wonderful life. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on now. Well,
Looking out across the nighttime, the city winks a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight. And if this town is just an apple, will you take a bite? And if they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why? It doesn't do me that way. Oh, I tell you why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? It doesn't do me that way. Reaching out to a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. And I see that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. And if they say why, just tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do me that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why you know if you do me that way? I love living this way. I love living this way.
On a warm summer's evening, on the train bound from nowhere, I met up with a gambler. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns to staring out the window at the darkness till boredom overtook us, and he began to speak. He said, "Son, I've made a life out of reading people's faces and knowing what their cards were by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind my saying, I can see your outer faces. For a taste of the whiskey, I give you some advice." So I handed him my bottle, and he drank down my last swallow. And then he bummed a cigarette and asked me for a light. And the night got deathly quiet, and his face lost all expression. He said, "If you're gonna play the game, boy, you gotta learn to play it right. You got to know when to hold it, know when to fold it, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the deal is done." Every gambler knows that the secret to surviving is knowing what to speaking. He turned back toward the window, crushed out a cigarette, faded off to sleep. Somewhere in the dance, gambler he broke even, but the years by the birds I found thanks to God. My dreams have kissed your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. You're all I ever wanted, and my arms are open wide. Cause you know just what to say, and you know just what to do. And I wanna tell you so much. I love you baby, love you baby, love you girl, love you baby, love you baby, love you. I long to see the sunlight in your hair, and tell you time and time again how much I care. Sometimes I feel my heart will overflow. Hello, I just got to let you know, girl, I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, cause I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet, to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you're well. Did you ever make it out of that town where nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the both of us heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I've heard that your dreams came true. Yeah, she gave a thing I didn't give to you. Old friend, why so shy? Ain't like you to hold it or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I had to see my face and let you be reminded that for me it isn't over. Ooh, yeah. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't take a little time to think things over. I gotta read between the lines in case I need it when I'm older. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In my life, there's been heartache and pain. I don't know if I can face it again. Can't stop now. I've traveled so far to change this lonely life. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. I know you can show me. Gonna take a little time to look around me. Yeah, I got nowhere left to hide. Seems like love has finally found me. Oh, in my life, there's been heartache and pain. I don't know if I can face it again. I can't stop now. I've traveled so far to change this lonely life. I wanna know what love is. Yeah, yeah. I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. I wanna feel. I know you can show me.
It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup, brushes her long hair, and then she asks me, do I look alright? And I said, darling, you look wonderful tonight. Go to a party, everyone turned to see this beautiful lady walking around with me. And then she asked me, do I feel alright? And I said, darling, I feel wonderful tonight.
The whispers in the morning of lovers sleeping tight, all rolling like the thunder now. As I look in your eyes, I hold on to your body and feel each move you make. Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I could not forsake. 'Cause you are my lady, I am your man. Whenever you reach for me, I'll do all that I can. Lost is how I'm feeling, lying in your arms, when the world outside's too much to take. That's all ends when I'm with you. You
even though there may be time. It seems I'm far away. Never wonder where I am, 'cause I'm always by your side. You are my lady, I am your man.
The whispers in the morning of lovers sleep inside, rolling like the thunder now. As I looked into your eyes, I hold on to your body and feel each move you make. Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I could not forsake. 'Cause you are my lady, and I am your man. Whenever you reach for me, I'll do all that I can. We're heading to some place, somewhere I've never been. Sometimes I am frightened, but I'm ready to learn by the power of love. Close your eyes, give me your hands, darling. Can you feel my heart beating? Do you understand? Do you feel the same? Am I only dreaming?
Number one.